How to fix iPhone not charging. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are using an Apple certified MFI cable, or if not, then you can try to use a different cable and power adapter, and make sure to plug into a wall outlet instead of laptop or power strip for the time being. The next fix is go ahead and turn off your iPhone and then use a wooden toothpick or soft brush and further gently remove debris. Make sure not to use metal or liquids. So simply remove the lint and dust from the charging port gently. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can help you fix in minor software glitches. The next fix for this issue is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version in order to avoid seeing messages like accessory not supported. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then for the time being, you can try using a wireless charger if your iPhone supports it, as the charging port may have been damaged. Also, make sure to check your iPhone's temperature, as iPhone will not charge if they are too hot or if they are too cold, so make sure to return it to room temperature and then try again. Also, in settings again, tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. If the maximum capacity is very low, then battery may need a quick replacement in order to charge again. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter a passcode and reset all settings, as doing this will help you fix a majority of issues and will not delete any of your data. And if your issue is still not fixed, then it could be because of damaged charging port, bad battery, or internal hardware issues. So you will have to visit an Apple store or authorized repair center for further queries. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.